Hello students. Today we are learning about an exciting career. On your paper, answer the question, what's so cool about manufacturing?
Where are we? You're at Better Edge.
Better Edge is a business that reconditions and manufactures drill bits. This local company also has coating services and distributes Kennametal tooling. Better Edge provides high-quality tooling and better service for their customers. They are available to fill the needs of the Northeast region.
What services does Better Edge provide for their customers?
We manufacture solid carbide cutting tools for machine shops, automotive, stuff like that. Anything that they're making a part needs a hole that needs machined, we provide high performance tools for them.
How long does it take for a drill bit to be manufactured?
It depends on what the size is. The smaller the diameter, the quicker the run time. If you're doing a regrind on like a 1/2-inch tool, it's basically 1 to 2 minutes. On a new tool, it could take up to 30 minutes to regrind.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
The fact that we make items that people use, and then for them to come back and we're regrinding the tools that we made.
I find that everything that I do on a daily basis affects everybody's lives. We make parts everywhere from car manufacturing to your daily home stuff. So it's nice to know that whenever I'm here at work, that what I do actually makes a difference in in the United States and around the world.
Okay, class. It's time to share your answers to the question, what's so cool about manufacturing?